2024, all the production equipment has been upgraded, updated, and iterated. All upgraded, all our production equipment. At present, are directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. Directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. In our factory, the high-pressure rubber hose produced has been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. We don't just do the domestic market. We don't just do the domestic market.
该内容暂时无法翻译。
The host will later explain to everyone one by one. Our factory, the scale of our factory, and the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose we produce. The quality of the high-pressure rubber hose. Our factory covers an area of more than 100 mu, and our workshop covers an area of more than 100,000 square meters. More than 100,000 square meters. Our first phase workshop has been put into use for 15 years. And the products in this workshop were all updated and iterated in 2024. The new high-speed production equipment and production line are all provided by leading manufacturers. For each set of production equipment, it is equipped with a high-precision computer. A high-precision computer. It can control the high-pressure rubber hose in the production process to control the speed precisely, including the inner and outer walls when it is covered with rubber, including its performance, including our steel wire, the stretching degree in the process of steel wire arranging, and its angle, and the angle of winding, all high-precision equipment can control in real time. The stability of the quality of each high-pressure rubber hose in the production process, including some of its coefficients, its upper and lower difference, including its anti-aging, antioxidant, high-temperature resistance, low-temperature resistance, including high-wear resistance. Only this high-precision equipment can ensure the stability of the quality of our high-pressure rubber hose. The stability of the quality. There are also some cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market now. No matter when in this industry, there will be unevenness. There will be unevenness, whether it's its quality or its price. There are still many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market. And many cheap high-pressure hoses often come from these small workshops. Some small workshops or middlemen who put labels on, they don't have a stable quality, nor a stable delivery date, let alone very good after-sales service. Because the production equipment of those small workshops are often not high precision. Not high precision. They just rely on manual control of quality. Relying on manual control of quality. So its quality cannot be guaranteed to be uniform. It cannot be guaranteed to be uniform. Our factory, the first phase of the old workshop, all the production equipment has been upgraded and iterated since 1924. And in 2025, our second phase new factory covers an area of over 10,000 square meters. So far, the second phase new factory has been put into use. and is already in operation. The background behind the host is our second phase new workshop, where all the production equipment is directly delivered from top manufacturers. All equipment is from leading manufacturers. The equipment in the second phase, whether it is the first process of steel wire core spinning or steel wire weaving, then to our twist water belt, including our inner and outer rubber coating, and finally, the finished product packaging. Each of our processes has a precision computer, which can control the coefficients of our high-pressure rubber hose in the production process in real time. A coefficient. It has its own standards. Quality. It can monitor in real time. It can monitor in real time and can accurately control the speed, including its winding angle, stretching tension, including the pressing line of the steel wire winding, and the sparseness of each wire. Our high-precision equipment can precisely control. It can precisely control. Why do some manufacturers on the market often quote a price, and some can quote a particularly low price? For example, for the same 4 or 8 high-pressure hoses, why our quotation is this much, but they can quote so low? I will often explain to everyone why it can't be that low. The lower the price he quotes, the more likely it is that the high-pressure hoses come from small workshops. They come from small workshops because the cost of small workshops is low and their production equipment are all old. Some are second-hand equipment. There is no high standard in the production process to control. It all relies on manual control. There is no high-precision equipment to ensure the stability of the quality of the high-pressure hose. So its quality cannot be uniform, and there is no way to achieve consistency, nor can its delivery date be guaranteed. Some small workshops, for example, their wire winding machines, have only 1, 2, 3, or 4 sets. They are even less capable of taking on your large orders and fulfilling them. Their delivery date cannot be guaranteed, and there may be quality issues in the later stages of use. I believe their after-sales service is not very stable either. Not very stable. So, you get what you pay for. Our factory has been deeply involved in this industry for 15 years. We have 15 years of experience. In this industry, all of our production equipment is from high precision, factories that can control the quality of our high-pressure hoses in real time. And so far, Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3 of our factory have all been put into use, with a daily output of 80,000 meters per day. All of our high-pressure hoses previously had some procurement bosses in the procurement process. Before Phase 2 and Phase 3 were put into production, we often received feedback that the high-pressure hoses of our factory will have a long delivery time in the peak season of order placement, and the delivery time is unstable. Up to now, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. The daily output can reach 80,000 meters. So our high-pressure hoses can undertake all of our large and urgent orders. For all large and urgent orders, our delivery time is now stable. It's solved. We have solved all of them. And in the factory, because it is a 15-year-old factory now, it has independent R&D, a professional technical team, for all kinds of special shaped joints and hoses. The factory can provide one-to-one customization. One-to-one customization. So, whether you are a purchaser or looking for a reliable and stable source manufacturer, please don't go away from this live stream. Please don't go away from this live stream. The host is now at our high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory. The high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory. We are the live stream room of a high-pressure hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. We are the Handan Sinop Hose Co., Ltd. We have 15 years of experience in this industry. 15 years of experience. All of you who are still lingering outside the live room. All of you who are still lingering outside the live room. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure hoses, the Source Factory, please don't swipe away this live stream. Welcome to the families who just entered the live room. Welcome to the families who just entered the live room. Families who enter the live room, please click on the upper left corner to follow. Click on the upper left corner to follow. The host is now in the live room of the Source Factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The live room of the Source Factory of high-pressure hoses. Whether you are in the engineering accessories business, or agricultural machinery accessories business, or a purchasing boss, I believe that in your previous procurement process, you must have had some understanding. Currently, there are many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market. And I want to reiterate for everyone, our factory never engages in the bottom price competition or internal friction. Up to now, since the opening of the factory, we have never engaged in the bottom price competition or internal friction. What we rely on is the scale of our factory, including our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. All of our high-pressure hoses can achieve 100% pressure quality inspection before leaving the factory. Each hose can be pressure tested. Our quality inspection standard is that for our high-pressure hoses. The test pressure is twice the working pressure of each high-pressure hose, and it can withstand pressure for 1 minute without leakage. Only by doing so, without leakage, can it meet the standards of our finished product. Only then will we proceed to the next process. And the next process. This is the most crucial step to ensure quality. This is the bottom line. Our factory can achieve 100%. For quality inspection, each high-pressure hose will be tested before leaving the factory. We want pressure tests. Only after passing the pressure test will they move to the next process. All oil or gas leakage issues will be scrapped. Scrapped? We will never cut corners. In this aspect, all friends who are still hesitating outside the live room. All friends who are still hesitating outside the live room. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose, you must come into my live room. You must come into my live room. Welcome to the live room. Welcome to the live room. For those who just entered the live room, please give the host a like. Give the host a like. The host is now in the live room of the Source Factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The live room of the Source Factory of high-pressure hoses. The product the host is holding now is a regular product. A regular product. Let me tell you, our factory not only makes high-pressure hoses, but also provides one-stop shopping service. All purchasing managers are in luck. Anyone who buys high-pressure hoses and fittings can buy everything here. What's more, we not only make high-pressure hoses, but also offer one-stop shopping service. So you don't have to search for manufacturers of high-pressure hoses, and neither do you need to look for manufacturers of fittings. We offer one-stop shopping service. We also provide customization services. We can make all kinds of special-shaped hoses and fittings. We can take any order, because behind our live stream room, there is a strong and professional technical team. A professional technical team. All your special-shaped fittings and hoses can be handled by us. We can take any order. Our factory provides one-on-one quotation services. We provide one-on-one quotation services. We send samples and catalogs for free. We also offer free solutions. We can meet all your requirements. The high-pressure rubber hose of our factory can meet all your requirements. No matter your equipment is in an environment of 120 degrees centigrade, or 零下50摄氏度, or you need super wear resistant, high pressure, low pressure, anti-static, all our products can meet all your requirements. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must come into the host's live room. You must come into the host's live room. Welcome to the live room. Welcome to the live room. The host is now in the live room of a high-pressure hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory mainly deals with high-pressure hoses, hydraulic oil hoses, including those for construction machinery, agricultural machinery parts, various types and specifications of high-pressure hoses, including some special-shaped joints and pipes. Our factory provides direct adaptation. Our factory provides direct adaptation. What's wrong with lied? All friends who are still hesitating outside the live room. All friends who are still hesitating outside the live room. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, be sure to come into the host's live room. Welcome to the live room. Welcome to the live room. Newcomers, follow and like the host. Follow and like the host. Our factory is a high-pressure hose source factory located in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The products in the live room are like the ones the host is holding. This is a regular product of ours. This is a regular product of ours. And our factory covers an area of over 100 mu. Our factory covers an area of over 100 mu. And our total construction workshop is over 100,000 square meters. Our factory has an independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and storage workshop. Our factory is an integrated, large-scale industry and trade factory with integrated processes. We not only focus on the domestic market, but also have a full set of export qualifications. Our factory has a full set of export qualifications. And up to now, our factory's products have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. More than 60 countries. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must stay in the host's live room for a while. You must stay in the host's live room for a while. Why can our factory have 15 years of experience? Why can our factory's products go global and enter more than 60 countries around the world? And why can our high-pressure hoses be favored by customers all over the country and even the world? And they will repurchase for a long time. It is because of the scale of our factory. The scale of our factory. At present, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. It can reach 80,000 meters. And currently, our factory has reached more than 350 employees. More than 350 employees. And our total land area is more than 100 mu. And the total construction workshop area is more than 100,000 square meters. We have now completely solved our delivery period problem. All large, urgent, and customized orders. We can undertake all of them. We can undertake all of them. Welcome to the live room, everyone. Welcome to the live room. The host is now in the live stream room of the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory is not small. It was established in 2011 and has been established for many years. Currently, we have 15 years of deep plowing in the high-pressure hose industry. You can take a look at the qualifications in the host's hand. We are a specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei Province. We are a specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei Province, which is also a recognition of our factory by the government. We are not a small OEM enterprise, nor a small workshop. We are a legitimate, high-end, specialized, and innovative medium and small enterprise. We have our own R&D team. And all your customized orders. All the special high-pressure hoses that are difficult to find, including special joints, can be customized by our factory. We can customize them one by one. We are a specialized, sophisticated, unique, and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei Province. This is also a great honor for our factory. What the host is holding now is a certificate of high-tech enterprise. A certificate of high-tech enterprise. Our factory has now been established for 15 years. 15 years? We are not a small business or a small workshop. We are not a small workshop. Our factory now has more than 350 employees. More than 350 employees. We are a high-tech enterprise, a real high-tech enterprise. Let me show you another qualification. Let me show you another one. The host is holding an ISO 9001 quality certification system. A quality system certification. This also confirms the quality of the high-pressure hoses produced by our factory. This is our ISO 9001 International Quality System certification. All the bosses in the industry should know that this certificate is not something a small workshop can get casually. This certificate needs to be reviewed every year. And the ISO 9001 quality certification certificate that our host is holding now needs to be reviewed every year. And when our auditors come to our factory, they will review item by item according to each clause of our quality certification. Only after passing the review can our certificate continue to be used and held. If the quality control in the production process does not meet the requirements of each item in the ISO 9001 International System certification, or several items, as long as it does not meet the requirements, the reviewer will not pass our review, and the review will not be passed. In that case, we will not be able to continue to hold the ISO 901 certification. The reason why we can hold this certificate for a long time also shows the quality of our factory's high-pressure rubber hose. The hydraulic oil pipe and high-pressure rubber hose produced by our factory are up to standard and meet the National Quality Certification System. This also proves the quality of our factory and our products. This is the third point. The host is now holding this certificate. All the certificates that our hosts are holding now can be checked all over the network, and our qualifications can be checked all over the network. What the host is holding in his hand now is a certificate of beauty certification. A certificate of beauty certification. This certificate proves that the products produced by our factory can be used on our mining equipment. It can be used in our mining equipment. In our factory, all high-pressure rubber hoses of all specifications have the safety certification for mining products, which is also a coal mine safety certification. All of our high-pressure rubber hoses have been certified and have obtained the coal mine safety certification. So, all the bosses of mining equipment in coal mines, as long as you need, are high-pressure rubber hoses. as long as you have a demand for hydraulic hoses. You can boldly enter the live room. You can boldly enter the live room to talk. You can type your questions on the public screen. You can type your questions on the public screen. Just now, all the qualifications obtained by the host are available for checking on the whole network. All available for checking on the whole network. Why can our factory? Long-term docking with large enterprises, including docking with some large projects at home and abroad. It's all thanks to our authoritative qualifications, because these qualifications are available for checking on the whole network, including the stability of our quality, which are the core of our factory and are crucial for us. Our factory has been deeply cultivating in the high-pressure hose industry for 15 years. What we rely on is the scale of our factory, as well as the quality of our factory, and our stable after-sales service, which are all irreplaceable parts of us. These are all advantages of our factory. These are all advantages of our factory. So here, welcome to the family members who just entered the live room. Family members who just came in. Give the host a little attention and if you have any questions, you can type them on the public screen. Our factory has now had 15 years of success in the industry. Currently, we have a full set of independent research and development, our own professional team and professional technical team. We can connect all highly adaptable products, adapt to all of your scenarios. And all scenarios, if you are also looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must come into the host's live room. The host will take you to deeply understand the strength of our factory. Welcome to the live room. If you are worrying about not finding the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, or if you are looking for this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source manufacturer, you can come to the host's live room. Our live room is a real shot. Whether you are looking for the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, or you are looking for a rubber hose with stable glue period, stable quality, stable glue period, and stable after sales. A high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hose. You must come into the host's live room. The host is taking everyone to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. Our factory is Handen Sinopulse Co. Ltd. Handen Sinopulse. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handen City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. The area of our factory has reached more than 100 mu. The total construction area has reached more than 100,000 square meters. We have our own independent R&D workshop, a production workshop, a quality inspection workshop, and a storage workshop. Welcome to the live room. The host is now in the live room of the high-pressure rubber hose source factory. If you are also looking for this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory, let me tell you, our factory has been deeply involved in the industry for 15 years. 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry. We never engage in price wars or internal friction. There are also many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market now. All the purchasers' bosses, I can tell you here, you can also buy cheaper high-pressure rubber hoses than mine. And of course, you may buy more expensive high-pressure rubber hoses than ours. Here I want to tell you that as long as you often do the procurement, you must know that all of our high-priced products, 100%, except for being expensive, have no other problems as long as you buy very cheap products. Very cheap products, except for being cheap, it has all problems. Surely its lifespan during use, including its wear resistance, stretching, and its oil leakage and air leakage. These frequent quality problems are all matched with its price. It is matched with its price, so whether you are purchasing all, any quality, you must thoroughly understand this rubber hose, its production process, the 设备 equipment, or the qualifications of the factory, you must understand. Before cooperation, our factory is neither a small company nor a newly opened factory. We are, in the high-pressure rubber hose industry, a veteran factory with 15 years of deep plowing. A veteran factory with 15 years of deep plowing. Whether you are a purchasing boss or you are in the construction machinery, agricultural machinery parts business, as long as you have a demand for high-pressure hoses, our factory can fully meet your needs. Our factory can fully meet your needs. Our factory's products can fully adapt to all your scenarios, whether it's for your work, your equipment, or the workplace, the temperature. Ultra high pressure, extremely high temperatures, extremely low temperatures, or extremely cold weather, extreme cold resistance. Some of our equipment is used in an environment as low as -40 degrees Celsius, -50 degrees Celsius, and the products of our factory can work well in such an environment for a long time without bursting pipes, including the outer rubber cracking. Outer rubber cracking. In this situation, our silicone rubber tube is completely adapted and suitable. Who is it? Hello, welcome to the live room. Welcome to the live room. The host is now in the live room of the source factory of high pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The product the host is holding now is produced by our factory. Our factory not only produces hydraulic hoses, but can also meet all your needs. We provide one-stop shopping. We provide one-stop shopping. Special configuration, or special joint. Environment of extra high voltage, or ultra high voltage, or ultra low voltage, or high temperature, or low temperature. Including super wear resistant and anti-static, fireproof. All the environment our high pressure rubber hose in the factory can fully adapt to. All can be fully adapted. The products of our factory not only make regular styles, because our factory can currently do independent research and development. We have a professional technical team which can provide one-to-one adaptation for you. One-to-one docking. It can adapt to all your needs, all of the products of different specifications, including the color of diplomacy, or special adaptation scenarios. Our live room has a professional technical team in the back end. They can give you an accurate quote, including precise technical docking. All high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factories. If you are looking for such a source factory, you must come into the host's live room. The host is showing you around our factory, which covers an area of over 100 mu. The total area of our factory is over 100 mu. We not only have our R&D workshop, but also professional production workshop, quality inspection workshop, warehouse, and a professional delivery area. We are an integrated large-scale enterprise that integrates industry and trade. We have a full set of export qualifications. We are a down-to-earth large-scale enterprise that integrates industry and trade. We have no middlemen. Our factory has no middlemen. All of the products, with the same quality, have more favorable prices. Our prices are more favorable. We never engage in the bottom price competition. Since the establishment of our factory, we have 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry. We never engage in the bottom price competition. We rely on stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Welcome to our live room, everyone. The host is now in the live room of the source factory of high-pressure hoses in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The product the host is holding is manufactured in our factory. A very ordinary product. Our factory not only produces ordinary conventional products, but also one-stop procurement of all special-shaped parts and special-shaped joints. All one-stop procurement. Whether you are in the construction machinery business or in the agricultural machinery parts business, as long as you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must come to the host's live room. The host is taking everyone to learn more about our factory. Our factory from 2025. The newly put into production of the second phase of the new factory building in 2025. All the production equipment are directly from our industry's top equipment manufacturers. The equipment is all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. Each of our production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer, which can precisely control the speed and accurately control each process. The standards of the products, all the high-pressure hoses produced, are not only checked by manual mutual inspection up and down the process, but also by our professional quality inspection team. The professional quality inspection team conducts bulk sampling in each process and conducts bulk sampling. We also have professional high-precision production equipment to control the quality. For example, the inner and outer glue we produce, such as the process of coating the inner and outer glue. Our high-precision coating equipment for the inner and outer glue can precisely control the rubber so that it can be fully integrated and extruded evenly, so that the high-pressure rubber hose has a smoother inner wall, better sealing, so that there will be no oil or gas leakage, and the outer rubber has a more uniform wall thickness, better ovality, and each of our extrusion equipment is equipped with a high-precision diameter measuring instrument. The high-precision diameter measuring instrument can control the high-pressure rubber hose in real time, its outer diameter during the production process, whether it meets the standards or exceeds the standards, and it can monitor in real time. If there is a problem, it can directly alarm to remind us. This is also a key step in our quality control. We not only have inspectors for the quality inspection during the production process, but also a professional quality inspection team for spot checks. We also have high-precision production equipment to control the quality of our production. To control the quality, we have 3 checks, which can ensure that the quality of each high-pressure rubber hose we make is more stable later. Then, it's our high-precision, high-speed weaving machine. The high-speed weaving machine, now our first phase old workshop, and the second phase new workshop. All our equipment is from the top equipment manufacturers in this industry, directly from the equipment manufacturers. Each of our equipment can precisely control the speed, and speed it can monitor in real time the angle of steel wire weaving of each high-pressure rubber hose, and the adjustment of its tension. All are adjusted on our high-precision computer, and each steel wire is woven by high-speed weaving machine. It can control the winding angle of steel wire in real time, whether there is a pressing line, and the sparseness of each wire. The sparseness, only with high-precision equipment can the high-pressure rubber hose have more even steel wire arrangement, and high-speed steel wire with no sparse or uneven phenomenon, which can ensure that the high-pressure rubber hose has more even pressure bearing and better performance in the later stage of use. This is also the key indicator for pressure resistance. The key indicator in the industry, in the market. There's still many cheap hoses on the market. The production equipment used and the weaving equipment used are old. There is no high-precision monitoring equipment and no high-precision computer, so it is impossible to control the speed precisely in real time. And it is even more impossible to control the sparseness of the arrangement of steel wire. They can't control. There is no way to control. The high-pressure rubber hose produced by this equipment often has uneven pressure resistance because the weaving lines are uneven. Some are sparse, some are tight. So its pressure resistance cannot be guaranteed to be uniform. Often, the high-pressure rubber hose produced by this equipment in the later use process frequently have the phenomena of burst pipes, oil leakage, and gas leakage. This is common. This is very common. This is also why some of our purchasing bosses in the purchasing process mentioned why your high-pressure rubber hose is so much cheaper than others. How cheap can it be? The reason is this. The reason is that the production equipment it uses has insufficient precision. Its quality cannot be guaranteed to be uniform. And another point is that the raw materials used in our high pressure rubber hoses and other raw materials, all the raw materials in our factory, are also directly shipped from the top raw material manufacturers in the industry. Directly shipped from the raw material manufacturers. Each batch of our raw materials, whether it's rubber or our steel wire, including many auxiliary materials, for each batch of raw materials, our professional quality inspection team will take them to the laboratory for bulk sampling. Sampling will be done. We will sample each batch, and all unqualified products will be directly rejected. All unqualified raw materials will be directly rejected. This is the bottom line of our factory, because we know that the raw materials used in this product are the first threshold of our product, the first threshold of our quality. We will never cut corners. We will never cut corners. This is also the bottom line that our factory has adhered to for 15 years. A bottom line that we have adhered to for 15 years. We will never allow unqualified raw materials to enter our factory. This is something we firmly oppose. This is something we firmly oppose. Why are some products on the market cheap? Either the precision of the production equipment is not enough, or the quality of the raw materials has declined. As insiders, we all know that. For the same raw material with the same name. The quality of the raw material with stable, high, and good parameters. We're going back now. Welcome to the live stream, everyone. Welcome to the live stream. Let me check how long the live has been running. 1 hour, 40 minutes. 1 hour and 14 minutes. We've only been live for 1 hour and 14 minutes. Dean, please recommend some viewers. Everyone who is still lingering outside the live room. Everyone who is still outside. I'm now at the Source Factory live stream of high-pressure rubber hose and hydraulic hose in Faxiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the Source Factory live stream. All the high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic hoses for construction machinery or agricultural machinery parts. If you're looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory, you must come into our live stream. You must come into our live stream. I'm giving you an in-depth tour of the factory. You don't have to travel all the way to our factory. I'll show you around and make videos to let you know where our factory is and how big our production scale is. I'll also tell you how many employees we have, what our quality standards are, so that you can have a deeper understanding of Handan Sinop Hose Co., Ltd. Handan Sinop Hose Co., Limited is located in the Faxiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Faxiang Economic Development Zone. Can someone help me? Julian, can you recommend someone to me? There's been no one in the live room. Who? I can't see anyone. Welcome to everyone who has just entered the live room. Let me see who it is. I can't see. I can't see it on the top. This is Lou Daxian. The host is now in the live streaming room of a high-pressure hose source factory in the Faxiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Everyone in the live streaming room, please give the host a like to let me see who else is in the live streaming room. Let me see who is still in the live streaming room. Everyone who is still in the live streaming room, please give the host a like. Give the host a like. Everyone who is still in the live room, please type 1 for the host. We only have one water army, just one person. Jubailan, I suspect that's a spy. Welcome, everyone who just entered the live room. Our factory produces this kind of rubber hose. Our factory produces this kind of rubber hose. And we can't play music. Is it impossible to play music in this kind of live broadcast? All friends who are still lingering outside the live room. All friends who are still lingering outside the live room. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must come to the host's live room. You must come to the host's live room. It's 6 o'clock. Our live broadcast today will be off the air in 10 minutes. There are only 10 minutes left. All friends who are still lingering outside the live room. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, all friends who are still looking for a high-pressure hose source factory, you must come to the host's live room. You must come to the host's live room. Can you hear the sound now? Can you hear the song? Okay, now let's listen to a song. After the song, our live broadcast will be offline. I've been live for more than half an hour. I made this one a long time ago. It's not overheated. I took this picture of my colleague. Wait for me to blow. Hello.
Let's call it a day.
Still singing?
Okay, that's the end of today's live stream. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time. Same time tomorrow, we'll continue our factory tour. That's a wrap for today's live. Thanks. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
All the bosses in procurement and all colleagues in